had a lot of concerns regarding digital identity. Like many other people, is it safe?
I'm a millennial baby, so I've grown up all around technology. I know how to use it. My problem isn't with it being digital, my problem's with private companies wanting to treat it as a consumer product.
All the time we're talking about digital data, digital identity, but it's actually human identity. This is something deeply, deeply personal to you, and it could be really sensitive data.
Digital identities have many benefits for people and for the economy, but if people are really going to use them and be confident using them, we need to know what the government should be doing in this space to give them the peace of mind that they need to adopt those technologies.
I'm Professor of Information Security at Royal Holloway, University of London. Public dialogue work is really crucial to talk with people about their hopes, their aspirations, their concerns. We're talking about digital technologies that are going to affect all of us.
Public dialogue was a really useful tool for this deliberation. It was a great way of exploring the principles, things that matter to people, that underpin what they're telling us.
All right, how are you doing? I'm Baz, I'm a medical student. I've got Kurdish heritage, I've got Kurdish family history, but I'm Welsh through and through. My ADHD means that I'm awful when it comes to remembering appointments and schedules and things. It being online meant that I was able to really enjoy the aspects of it reducing my social anxiety.
My name is Nausheen. My profession is IT. I am a mother of 2 kids. I was very excited if something I say can have an impact and be actually implemented. And when there are dialogue like this happens and the views are exchanged, your perception, your views, they actually change for better.
I'm Helen and I live in Leeds in West Yorkshire. I've worked with the NHS, I've worked with people with mental health issues. Like everybody's background who came to this, all of us bring our own lenses to the world.
My group was fantastic. People from different backgrounds, different lifestyles, and we had the opportunity to listen to lectures given by innovative technology companies, universities. The main thing that worries me is for someone like my grandmother here, she wouldn't be able to partake in something like a digital identity on her own whatsoever. It would be so difficult for so many different cultures, communities, the elderly or people with language barriers. And if they were to sort of reach out, how would they get the help they need?
In the beginning, I was not really pro digital identity. But there was one workshop number 2 or 3, where I felt, okay, now I think my views are changing. And that's the day when they showed us 4 films. One was a person with disabilities, one was ex-prisoner, asylum seeker, and one was the person whose identity was stolen. Those 4 films had a major impact. In situations like these, digital identity is really needed. It can make a difference.
Digital is a double-edged thing for me. Technology and what we can do with it is amazing. But there's a lot of power given to companies and a lot of money to be made, and that always makes us suspicious about how ethical it's going to be and how it's going to be used. But I think we have to be so careful about how we manage it.
The last few years had been quite unsettling for the public with the COVID times. Overall, the trust between the public and the government has been lost. We need to feel that trust. The app, the system is safe, secure, with proper protocols, and their policy is easy to understand. The terms and conditions are clear. Trust and transparency.
My hope is that the government listen to us and that they bring in some of those excluded groups and create something that's actually better.
This has been a really rich piece of research. People have given some very clear reflections on what governance looks like and how accountable these organisations should be for holding this precious data.
Those are some of the most interesting conversations I've ever seen happening about digital identity. It makes a massive difference to hear how things we've been thinking about in government and in industry for a long time really resonate or don't resonate with people, to inform a shared understanding of the direction of travel we want to go in as a country.